Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today I got a really quick update for you. A breaking news story for you with Crypto.com. Another partnership that I want to share with you guys, bringing Crypto.com's app even more use case. I want to talk about it, guys. Let's also look at Crocoin right now versus Bitcoin, the most important chart for Cronos coin holders, and where we're at in the overall market because things are getting a little shaky, but Bitcoin's not giving up on its $50,000 levels yet. Let's get into it, guys. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let me just hop right into it and get to it. Now, market cap was at $2 trillion. We're a little bit down today. Things are cooled off. Bitcoin's still at $50,800. Just a warning, we did have a daily candle close below 51,000. So maybe we keep coming down. We'll take a peek at that here in a second, but maybe we don't. And there's a lot of reasons to say that maybe Crocoin doesn't have to come down so hard right now. And maybe Bitcoin just trades sideways. That would be a great case for Cronos coin holders. Right now, we're sitting at rank number 43 for Cronos at 9.1 cents. It was up to about 9.5 cents earlier this week. We're kind of coming down as Bitcoin's cooling off again, but we still have a lot of room to grow because at the end of the day, we talk about the Bitcoin halving. It's coming up soon. A bull cycle is coming. A lot of people seem to forget that is coming. It's hard. You're in it, you're making gains, and then you get a little fearful. Is it too good to be true? What's going on? A lot of people are scared of a big crash on Bitcoin. We've been acknowledging that might be happening, and maybe it does, but regardless, that's not changing my strategy here. The strategy I've been talking about for a while is looking at CRO versus Bitcoin and the valuation, and we're down here on a lower time frame, the 4-hourly candles. You see that right now we are towards the bottom. Now, I thought maybe we'd bounce down this blue line. There's a chance, guys, that we don't. And there's a chance that maybe this is as close as we got. We are, at the end of the day, making higher lows for Crocoin versus Bitcoin, which is extremely important. Here's your highs, here's your lows, here's your highs, here's your lows. We talk about it almost every day. But this thing is looking pretty darn good. The problem is Bitcoin right now. If you look at Bitcoin and you see what's going on the daily candles, here you go, you zoom out, we go up and to the right over time. We've come up a lot from the bear market. A lot of people are looking for a 50% dump, like this kind of move, right? That we saw in the prior beginning of the bull market, right before the halving, right after the halving. Is that something we're going to see? Are we going to see Bitcoin take a spill from these levels down 50%? Maybe, guys, it is certainly possible. I'll tell you this, looking at Bitcoin today and what we're dealing with right now, we just had 3 daily red candles closing in a row. People are thinking that this dip could be coming, and this might be the beginning of it. That being said, we have a new daily candle starting green. If it can stay green, if we can move back up, who knows? Maybe we retest some of these highs. There are, at the end of the day, a lot of traders that are moving up here. There is a big magnet I looked on earlier of trades that people are expecting either a move here or really a move down back to like $48K, $47,000. That's all on the table, guys. That's all on the table. But if Bitcoin slips down, then even if Crocoin versus BTC has been doing well lately, I would still expect Crocoin to tumble lower versus Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes negative, Crocoin should go more negative. If Bitcoin goes down 5%, I'd expect Crocoin to go down 10%. And so maybe we aren't to the bottom of this yet. There's obviously many ways this thing could play out, but I do overall believe that in the long term, we are closer to the bottom than we are to the top. Here's the top, here's the bottom. All the way to the top, you're talking about 1,000% gain, an 800% gain versus Bitcoin from current levels. Can we see that? Yes, I think we will. I think we will at some point. At the end of the day, let's look at one of the breaking news stories here. Thrilled to announce that the NFT pair is today that Absolute Labs and Web3 CRM and marketing automation platform is partnering with Crypto.com. Crypto.com's got a new partner, guys, to provide single and simple and seamless means for online and offline merchants to onboard millions of consumers through Web3. Crypto.com combining with their Crypto.com Pay app, getting more people to use crypto day to day for purchases and regular everyday things. That's when crypto goes mainstream, guys. I think Crypto.com is probably going to be one of the main players that's driving things like this forward. This is just another step in the right direction for this exchange. You just see Crypto.com everywhere. You can't watch the UFC. You got 1 in 5 people here that doesn't have a Crypto.com logo. Every one of these other fighters, some of the popular fighters out there, is sporting that Crypto.com logo, guys, in the UFC. And there's so many other partnerships, guys. A lot of people are getting spooked right now with this Bitcoin price action, and I get it. If we did get a 50% crash on Bitcoin from the highs, would it be painful? Absolutely. Would CRO coin holders experience some pain? Absolutely. But is a Bitcoin halving coming? Yes. Do we see the largest institutional investors getting into this space for the very first time in a real way? Yes. Do we see DeFi being built on Bitcoin for the first time in a very real way? Yes. People are going to learn more about crypto over time. More people will be putting their money into crypto over time, even if it's a small percentage of people's portfolios. Right now, the amount of people that own Bitcoin compared to the amount of people that will own Bitcoin in 20 years is infantile. I think we're early, guys. I think CRO coin's going to do well. We talk about it a lot, but there's my little update for you guys today. I think we're closer to the bottom than we are to the top. I think we're close to the bottom. Like to see a rally. What a great partnership here we are seeing for Crypto.com with this shopping merchant to access Crypto.com pay applications for Crypto.com. Anybody who wants to go buy things. I think it's great, guys. That's all I got on this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more crypto content. And as always, folks, got to remember to DCA and HODL. And of course, I will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. 2 videos right here if you want to check them out. Peace.